Essentially what we're talking about is if you had to take 3 supplements, which would be the core supplements to take. It's a multivitamin, a fish oil, and a probiotic. So let's use the analogy of a car versus a human body. A car's not going anywhere without fuel. And let's be honest, most people are putting dirty fuel into their cars. So the multivitamin is not going to fix that issue, but it's going to fill in nutritional gaps in the diet. So you're getting cleaner fuel, higher octane. Flip side to that, I eat clean. So do I need a multi? I'm currently not filling the tank because I want a leaner, faster car for summer. So there's definitely nutritional gaps in my diet as well. So they have a broad appeal to everyone. Okay, so in terms of the engine of the car, we're talking about the heart and the brain. So fish oils are vital because they maintain the integrity of our cells, they lower triglycerides, they lower blood pressure, they reduce inflammation. There's been positive research on Alzheimer's, ADHD. They make that engine stronger and faster. In terms of your insurance policy for that expensive car that hopefully everyone is building in the background or wants to build because they've decided to go along this wellness path, is a good probiotic. 70% of your gut, of your immune response comes from your gut. So if your gut is not working, everything else kind of translates. So symptoms, bloating, diarrhea, IBS, all those, but they can all be fixed. So essentially you without a strong gut, you don't have an insurance policy. So it just reinforces and the synergy of all 3 together. And those essentially are the basics. When it comes to recommendations, these are my top 3 favorite in terms of multivitamins. Metagenics, right up there. They do a formula with and without iron. I say to everyone, do the with iron. If you're prone to low iron, obviously do the with iron all the time. Otherwise, alternate them. Expensive, but well worth it. This is a 2-month supply for the 60 caps. Natraceutics, a liposomal, which means it's encapsulated in a phospholipid, survives the gut, much better absorption. This one has a lot of good methylated Bs in as well, and everyone seems to have a problem with the methylation these days. Omnium, probably my 3rd favorite. Broad spectrum, nice minerals, and it's got grapeseed and quercetin in, as well as CoQ10, which is quite unusual for a multivitamin. So if you're prone to allergies, this is a good one to go for. In terms of fish oils, these are my favorites: the Metagenics, the Natraceutics, and the Coin Purist. The Coin, all 1,000 milligrams of EPA GLA, so all very strong, all 2-month supply. What's nice about the Biomax is the price. This is definitely our top seller at Energize Health. The Natraceutics, what do we like about that? Definitely if you've got eye issues, lutein, astaxanthin, K2, only go for this one. I think it also uses a fish gelatin capsule, so it's suitable for halal. Got the lowest TOTOX score, which is a heavy metal test. Metagenics, also a little bit expensive, but definitely quality very good. But again, this is a clear winner, I think, in terms of price and effectiveness. In terms of probiotics, definitely the Metagenics again. They do a whole range. This is the complete one. It's very expensive, but it's 12 billion. It's got immune vitamins in as well. Our top seller by far, the Flourish, it uses a spore probiotic. Essentially, a spore probiotic is a baby probiotic, but a hard shell, survives the gut, goes into the intestine, and it colonizes in the intestine. A little bit more aggressive than other probiotics, so you should essentially, it will possibly upset the gut. It just depends on what's going on down there. So when you do start this for the first time, it's good to alternate it every other day on the first week. But probably the highest reviewed probiotic on Energize Health. I do this twice a year, so basically 2 months out of 12 months. Otherwise, I'm on the Metagenics. Real Thing probiotic, one of the few probiotics with a pre and a probiotic. So it's got a prebiotic, a fiber called inulin. It also uses an interesting probiotic called Saccharomyces boulardii, which is very resistant to antibiotics and very harsh on pathogens. It kills them quite effectively. 6 billion strain, so not as strong. Very price effective. I think this is somewhere around 400 rand. And that's a wrap, girl.